Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Firstly, let's select public transport, and if you are able to find your public transport selected, you will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Now let's go back and select loyalty card. Select card you would like to add, scan it, or enter details manually. Now go back, and in the end let's select gift card. Similar to loyalty card, select card you would like to add, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.